Welcome to our gardening channel, dedicated to helping busy gardeners create a healthy and vibrant home office environment. In today's video, we've compiled a list of the best air purifying plants that you can grow in water. These low maintenance and fuss-free varieties are perfect for your home office. Let's dive in. First on our list is the snake plant. This versatile low-maintenance plant not only adds greenery to your space, but also removes benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and toluene from the air. Plus, it cleans the oxygen during the night, making it an ideal choice for your office. Next up, we have Monstera. Its large, deep green perforated leaves not only bring lively vibes to your workspace, but also purify the air from toxins. Place it in the brightest corner of your home office for the best results. Meet Lucky Bamboo, a forgiving plant that removes pollutants from the atmosphere. You can grow it in narrow vases filled with water and keep it right on your laptop table for a touch of greenery and good luck. The variegated gray-green leaves of the aluminum plant look stunning in glass jars filled with clean water. Position it in an area where it receives minimum to low light in your home office for an elegant touch. Add a splash of color to your home office with the serrated cherry foliage of coleus. Grow them in glasses and jars filled with water for a stunning display. Ensure they are placed in indirect light for optimal growth. The contrasting views of the peace lily make it a beautiful addition to your home office. Not only does it look gorgeous, but it also purifies the air by removing ammonia, formaldehyde, and benzene, making it the perfect choice for your workspace. Bring the beautiful heart-shaped Hoya into your home office. Simply grow it in a glass of clean water with a cutting and place it where it gets bright, indirect light. It'll make a great addition to your laptop table. Consider adding the jade plant to your home office. Beyond its beautiful appearance, this good luck plant also has air purifying abilities, making it a fantastic choice for your workspace. Finally, we have the anthurium, with its glossy, colorful bracts that look stunning in transparent jars. These vibrant plants will fill your office with colorful, cheery vibes when grown in glass beakers, preferably in a spot that receives bright morning sunlight. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!